Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. I'm Emmanuel Arce, the Ultimate Gardener. My goal is to help you guys grow in the garden industry and help you guys become an Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting sprouting video, we're continuing the Espoma series, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use the plant tone. And last video on the Espoma series, I showed you guys how to use citrus tone, and so now it's time to show you guys how to use the most common fertilizer out there, plant tone. Plant tone is used for a ton of things in the garden, and so today I'm gonna give you guys an entire tutorial on how to apply it, when you should apply it, and what you could apply it on. And so if you want to know all the details on that, please stay tuned with us. Ultimate Gardeners, this is the first area I would like to apply it on. One of the things you could use plant tone is in a vegetable garden like we have here. This is a garden I recently added, and it has a ton of different squashes in them. And so squash right now, because like they're not flying right now and they don't have any signs of actual squash production, it's time to give them a little boost of energy, a boost of proteins and all those good stuff that they need, all those nutrients that the fertilizer provides for the plants. They need it now. And so I'm gonna bring up the camera closer to show you guys how I should apply it and how you guys should apply it. Ultimate Gardeners, here we have a squash plant right here, and so if I lift up the leaves a bit, you can see the base of the plant is right there. So the thing we're gonna do is we're gonna scoot away the mulch. First things first, we're gonna scoot it away like so. And then once you have the base of the plant exposed, you're gonna get a little tiny pinch of the fertilizer, put it on the surface, and then you wanna rough it into the soil like that. Super easy to apply. Then you wanna take your mulch back, place it back, and you're done. That's how easy it is to apply this. And so let me go ahead and apply it to the entire garden bed, and then we move on to the next area. So Ultimate Gardeners, the next area you could apply plant tone is in containers like this one. I created this tropical container a few days ago for a collaboration I was gonna do, but we are no longer doing the collaboration, which is fine. But I still think it's doing pretty. Here's the hibiscus tree, super pretty, absolutely love it. And so I'm very, very happy how this is growing along. And so it's time to feed it the nutrients and proteins it needs. And so, but I forgot to mention that plant tone is a little bit stinky. And so you want to go ahead and acknowledge that if strong odors doesn't get to you, then this is great for you. But if it does, then I wouldn't recommend, you know, using it. And so it's super easy to apply. The thing you do is you want to go ahead and just get it, and then you just want to apply in and out of the entire garden bed like this. Super easy. You just apply it like that. No need to rough it up in containers due to when they get watered. So Espoma fertilizers are usually activated with water, and so you don't need to mix it in unless it's like in a garden bed like I showed you guys over there. And so super easy to apply. Now this container has been fertilized, and now once it rains here, which it is gonna do very, very soon, the fertilizer is gonna get activated and the plants are gonna be fed. So let's go ahead and move on to the next area. So Ultimate Gardeners, the next area is this right here. This is our zinnia garden right here, aka our cut flower garden. And so flowers like this need fertilizers so they can produce long flowers and beautiful flowers too. And so it's very simple how to apply it. You just do the same strategy like I showed you guys with the vegetable garden, except this garden does not have mulch, so there's no need of scooting anything back. You just add it to the base of the plant and you rough it up. And so let me go ahead and do that to the entire garden bed. And yeah, so let's go ahead and do that now. So Ultimate Gardeners, the next area is here. This is a scorpion bunch pepper I have, and it is producing like crazy. And so it's time to fertilize it. I haven't fertilized it in months, and so it needs the nutrients again. So very simple, just like the other ones. You get a handful, like this is a bit more bigger plant, and you add it to the base of the plant like that, and then you just rough it up into the soil, and then with water it's gonna activate. So that's how simple it is to apply plant tone. And so let's go ahead and wrap up this video for you guys. So ultimate gardeners, that's gonna be it for this exciting spawning video. I forgot to tell you guys when you should apply this fertilizer. This should be applied right when spring is approaching, so late winter to early spring. The other thing you could do is when you fertilize your plants, you have to fertilize it one day before it rains. So if in your weather forecast or whatever it says that it's gonna day on Tuesday, you're gonna go ahead and put your fertilizer on Monday, so by when Tuesday comes, all your plants get watered nicely and fertilized at the same time. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this exciting spawning video, you guys. Once again, I showed you guys an entire tutorial on how to use plant tone. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting spawning video comes out just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting spawning video comes out. Thank you all so much for watching, and never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.